There is nothing like when you are a small content creator and you wake up one morning, open your YouTube Studio app and find out that you now have the number of subscribers that you need to apply for monetization and join the YouTube Partner Program. Although this is an amazing moment in a small creator's YouTube journey, it can also be a scary and uncertain time. A lot of small YouTubers find themselves faced with questions like, will I actually be accepted into the program? Do any of my videos have copyright issues? Did I swear in any of my videos? It is common and natural to have those thoughts. You have spent so much time, putting so much effort and so much energy into your YouTube channel, and finally that moment of truth has come, that moment that you have been waiting for, and finally you can apply for YouTube monetization. On the 22nd of November 2022, I reached 1,000 subscribers. That at the time was the threshold that you needed to apply for monetization. I had also accumulated 4,000 watch time hours, so I was well on my way and had all the requirements to apply for YouTube monetization. Contrary to popular belief, I never actually received an email the moment I reached all the thresholds that I could apply for the YouTube Partner Program. I just applied even though I had not received that email because I was afraid that my watch time hours were fluctuating and they could go down. I later received an email a day later when I had actually already applied for YouTube monetization. I applied for monetization late afternoon on Friday. Come Monday morning, I was still not approved for YouTube monetization. I wasn't concerned because it was over the weekend and possibly the stuff did not work on weekends. However, there was this hack that I had seen online that can help you get monetized very quickly after you've applied for monetization. So I decided to give this hack a try, and 30 minutes later, I got approved for monetization. Let's go through this hack. Open your YouTube Studio on your browser on your computer. I suggest using your computer as I found that this option doesn't actually work on the phone, but it works when you do it on the computer. Click Leave Feedback Form on the YouTube Studio. Type in, "Hi team, hope you are well. I've recently reached 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers, making me eligible for monetization. I have filled the requirements and applied, but I have not had anything back yet. Kindly advise if I need to do anything else." Now what you need to do as well is attach a screenshot of your watch time hours showing that you've completed and received 4,000 watch time hours, which was the threshold then when I applied for monetization. I think now it's gone down to 3,000 watch time hours and 500 subscribers, but take a screenshot of both. Once you've captured a screenshot of both, attach it to that feedback form that you're filling in, and voila, you are done. You can of course put this in your own words, but this is how I did it. If you do try this hack and it works, please let me know in the comment section so others can know as well that indeed this hack works. By the way, if you like the amazing music that is currently on my channel that I've used for this video, it's from Epidemic Sound, and I will leave an affiliate link below so you can check it out if you're looking for copyright-free music that is really good quality.